Hello everyone, thank you for listening. I'm part of the TC Group Innovation Tax Reliefs team. Today I'll walk you through the process of starting your R&D tax relief claim. You'll learn how to identify eligible activities, what documentation and evidence is required, and how to navigate the application process. This session is designed to provide you with the essential information you need to begin maximizing your R&D tax relief benefits. Let's dive right in. Claiming R&D tax relief can seem daunting, but with the right approach, it's a manageable and rewarding process. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Step 1 is identifying qualifying projects. Begin by identifying which of your projects qualify as research and development. Remember, qualifying activities are projects which seek to achieve an advance in science or technology through the resolution of scientific or technological uncertainties. Look for projects that include product development, process improvement, or technological innovation. Step 2 is assembling a dedicated team. Create a team responsible for managing the claim. This team should include individuals familiar with your R&D activities, such as project managers, engineers, designers, software developers, and financial controllers. Step 3 is to consult with experts. Engage with R&D tax relief experts to ensure you're on the right track. At TC Group, we have a team of specialists who can guide you through the process and help maximize your claim. Step 4 is to document your R&D activities. Maintain detailed records including project descriptions, objectives, timelines, and the uncertainties addressed. This documentation is crucial for substantiating your claim. Step 5 is to calculate the eligible costs. You'll need to identify and calculate the costs associated with your R&D activities. This will typically include staff salaries, materials, software, and subcontractor expenses. And finally, step 6 is to prepare and submit your claim. You'll need to compile all the necessary information and prepare your claim. This will include a technical narrative describing your R&D projects and financial details outlining the eligible costs. Then submit your claim to HMRC as part of your company's corporation tax return. Following these steps will help ensure your claim is comprehensive and robust. Next, let's talk about the documentation and evidence you'll need to support your claim. First is the technical documentation. This means detailed project reports explaining the nature of the R&D, the objectives, and the achievements. Remember to keep records of all experiments, prototypes, testing, and results. Second is the financial records. You'll need to provide payroll records to demonstrate staff involvement in the R&D activities, as well as the invoices for materials and services used in the R&D projects. You'll also need to provide the timesheets showing the time spent on the R&D by employees. You should also include the project management records. This includes the meeting minutes, emails, and notes discussing the projects. This can be done through Gantt charts, timelines, and other project planning documents. Lastly, you'll need to provide a breakdown of costs associated with R&D activities. Keeping thorough records not only substantiates your claim, but also ensures you're fully prepared in case of an HMRC compliance check. After preparing your documentation, ensure you're aware of key deadlines and timelines, starting with the claim period. R&D tax relief claims can be made for accounting periods ending in the last 2 years. This means you have a 2-year window from the end of your financial year to submit your claim. Once submitted, HMRC typically takes about 6 to 8 weeks to process SME R&D tax relief claims, though it can sometimes take longer. Be sure to account for this in your financial planning. You should also schedule regular reviews of your R&D activities and expenses throughout the year. This ensures you stay organized and can quickly assemble your claim at the end of the financial year. And finally, keep abreast of any changes to R&D tax relief regulations. At TC Group, We regularly meet with HMRC to stay up to date on any regulatory changes to ensure our clients are always compliant. By adhering to these timelines and deadlines, you can optimize your R&D tax relief claims and avoid any last-minute rushes or missing out completely. To conclude, starting your R&D tax relief claim involves identifying qualifying projects, assembling a dedicated team, consulting with experts, maintaining detailed records, calculating eligible costs, and preparing your claim. Remember to keep thorough documentation and adhere to key deadlines. This will help you submit a successful claim. Thank you for your time today. I hope you found this session informative and that you now feel more confident about starting your R&D tax relief claim. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to contact TC Group. In the next episode, I'll share tips on how to identify qualifying R&D activities.